Welcome to our video on augmented reality property viewing. Today, we'll explore how AR is revolutionizing the real estate industry. First, let's dive into some essential books. Augmented Reality in Real Estate by M.A. W.G. Prasad is a must-read for understanding AR impact. For homebuyers, Augmented Reality Property Viewing, a guide for homebuyers by S.M.P.V.N.S.S.R.K. Prasad offers a comprehensive guide. Podcasts are another great resource. The Real Estate Podcast covers various aspects of AR technology and property viewing. YouTube videos like How Augmented Reality is Changing the Real Estate Industry by Forbes provide visual insights into AR potential. Developers can leverage AI tools like Google AR Core and Apple AR Kit to create immersive AR experiences for real estate applications. Courses, such as Augmented Reality in Real Estate, The Future of Property Viewing on Udemy offer in-depth learning opportunities. These resources are just the beginning. Dive in and discover how augmented reality can transform your property viewing experience.